Well, hi guys, this is Marty with River Hunter Adventures, and also I have my Marty's Hangout eBay store, and I'm going to show you how I clean CorningWare and get the tags off effectively, efficiently, and quick. I'll show you now. Take the hot water, you turn it on until it's extremely hot. Mine's pretty fast because the water heater's right there, and you just hold this tag underneath it like that. See it right there? It's starting to come off already. It only takes a second. It's not hard to do. If it doesn't come off, you can always take Thank You Scrub Daddy, and you can wipe it right off. Now be careful, because I've already done this and it cost me $380. I dropped this in the sink, busted my sink. So there you go, just like that. Nice and shiny. I always take Dawn. You can see that right there. You know, I like to spray it a couple times. No big deal. She's a nice, clean, shiny slate. Simple, fast. And then you can wipe it down, get all the residue off, because that might give you like a starburst when you take the pictures. There you go, nice and clean. On the back side, this one's already clean. I will wipe that down later. We'll put that to the side. Now, that's one. I have another one here. It's going to be hard to get this one off because it's on a flat surface. So let's give it a try. You might have to rub it off a little bit more. So just give it a little bit of water there. So we'll take this here and I'll wipe it right off. Simple, very quick and easy. You can wipe that down. This is pretty clean. I'll set that to the side. See how efficient I am? I get it done as fast as possible. Every second in eBay counts. Everybody knows that if you're a reseller. Time efficiency. So on this one here, this is a stoneware, obviously made in China. Resellers, you know what I'm talking about. So we'll put this under here, give a little bit of that. I use barkeep. Gotta love this stuff. Whoever invented it, shake his hand. Put some on there, Scrub Daddy, and put this to the side there. Give it some ump. Put a little bit more on. Don't be cheesy or chintzy with the barkeeps. It's not that expensive. And trust me, when you're taking pictures and you show that brownness, a lot of people will click away. Your CTR will go down. You don't want to get a click-through rate. That's bad. You want people to click and hold. That first picture is the eye catcher. After that, the next three, Cassini algorithm will pick up. It'll pick up everything, but your first 4 words that Cassini picks up are the strongest keywords. Like this would be a casserole dish. Turn it down a little bit. Got a little bit of brownie in there, so let's try to get that out. Just get a little bit of a push. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. Some women out there, you guys know how to clean these things. The guys, just take your time, but not too much time, because we're always in a hurry. Those 18-hour days of doing eBay, they build up and you don't get any sleep. That's why you have time efficiency, time management. Okay, I got it 99.9% clean. I can get that off later. I have a little tool that I can show you someday. I just touch it and it goes away. That's not the actual stoneware. It's still got the glaze on it a little bit, but this is stoneware. It's a casserole dish. So in your keywords, you want to go CorningWare. I go CorningWare, 2 words, not together, because when I go to end and relist as similar, sometimes it doesn't pick up all of my CorningWare. It'll skip sometimes if I put them together. And I do exactly what the stamp says. Stamp says CorningWare separate, I go CorningWare separate. This is not vintage, obviously. This is stoneware when China took over. So there you go, nice and clean. No utility marks that I could see. Then again, I'm blind, that's why I wear glasses. Give it a little bit of shine. Got a new pad here, so I don't get that barkeepers on here. Voila, you're all done. Boom, boom. Got a little bit of darkness there. You can describe it if you want, or you can keep working at it. I'm not going to work at it too hard. It's clean, it's a pre-owned product, but I like to give my customers the best possible item I can, so you get a better reputation. You got to think of it this way. The more you clean, the more you're going to sell. I wouldn't buy a dirty car. That's why car dealers wash their cars. Now, if it's a four-wheel drive, it comes in with mud, I'm buying it because I know it works. Otherwise, there you go, guys. In a nutshell. Easy tags off, clean it, sharp, clean, get out there, take a picture. Be quick with your pictures. I do about 12 pictures. You can go up to 20, 24 if you want. But most people on their iPhone, I believe it's 93% buy off their phone approximately. And if they see your first picture is clean, it's a grabber. Then sometimes I do lifestyle pictures after the fourth picture. Always measure your products to height, the oval, the width, length, depth. Always measure it because people want to know. Sometimes I put it in my title at the end. Not necessarily, but a lot of people always say, hey, what size is it? Because they don't want to scroll down. But make sure it's clean. That's your product right there that's going to sell. If it's not clean, you're going to lose your click-through rate. Okay, guys, on to the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like what I've shown you so far, please subscribe and like. I really appreciate it. And we got some more adventures on River Hunter Adventure coming soon. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Go out there and sell.